Radhi Radhi. Welcome to PMRT Tech Talks. Today, we uncover the shocking toolshell exploit that rocked Microsoft SharePoint in July 2025. SharePoint powers collaboration for 200 million users worldwide, but on-premises servers hid a deadly zero-day chain that would soon be exploited by sophisticated threat actors. Attackers combined CVE 2025-49706, or bypass, and CVE 2025-49704, code injection, spawning CVE 2025-53770, toolshell, granting full remote code execution without credentials, CVE 49706, auth bypass, CVE 49704, code injection, CVE 53770, full RC. May 17th, POC at PDUN 2 Ohm Berlin. July 8th, Microsoft Advisory. July 17th, 19th, Sentinel-1 and Unit 42 detect first attacks. July 19th, MSRC urgent guidance. July 21st, emergency patches. Malicious posts to toolpane.aspx uploaded spinstall 0.aspx web shells, stealing ASP.NET machine keys for persistence and lateral movement. Chinese espionage groups Linen Typhoon and Violet Typhoon led data theft. Storm 2603 pivoted to Warlock ransomware, extorting victims post-exploit. 400-plus organizations hit: DHS, HHS, DOE, universities, energy firms, experiencing data theft, outages, and ransomware lockdowns. Microsoft released patches: KB 5002768, Subscription Edition, KB 5002754/53, 2019, KB 5002760/59, 2016. Organizations must rotate machine keys, enable AMSI, deploy EDR, segment networks, and hunt for IOCs like spinstall.aspx. Lesser-known facts: patch bypass, CVEs 53,770 firsts, DLL payloads to evade detection, stolen machine keys used for forged tokens. Lesson: defense in depth and proactive threat hunting are non-negotiable. Radhi Radhi, this was your deep dive into the SharePoint toolshell attack. Subscribe for daily cyber insights, hit the bell, and stay securely tuned.